Hello everyone, new video today about the Swiss Champ Damast 2021. So it's a Swiss Champ, it's a really beautiful one, so let's see that. Here it is. First thing we can see, it's the box. If we compare with last year, for example, it's thicker, like that. You will see, yeah, that's much thicker. So let's open it. Another thing that has changed, it's this. The inlay. We had something like this, which was even, and now we have this. We had kind of things, don't know the name, which I think it's better with this. The knife is steadier than this, but maybe I would say it's a bit ugly. It's my opinion, of course, but so here's the knife. Carbon scales, of course. Really beautiful. The blade. Another thing is we don't have toothpick tweezers, so maybe it might be something bothering for someone who wants to use it, but yeah, I think it's a good choice. Another option would be to have the toothpick and tweezers, but with the black head, or with this kind of pattern. But I think it's a good choice that they remove them. I think they could have removed the keyring, maybe. Another thing is we have the logo, Victorinox logo, on the mini screwdriver, like on the new ones, the limited, not limited, but the colored with different bits mini screwdriver. So of course the number is here, so it's 5,339 out of 6,000, of course, and it's a Swiss Champ, so I'm not gonna show everything. I did a video about the Swiss Champ if you want, so I'm not gonna show the tools, but it's 33 millimeters for the thickness, 180 grams, something like that. 33 functions, minus 2, of course, because we don't have toothpick and tweezers, and that's it. So that's a really beautiful knife. You can see. I'll put some pictures of it, of course, on Instagram. So if you wanna have a look, Instagram code is in the description under. That's a really beautiful one. The blade, the scales, really beautiful. I think that's really good one. If you can afford it, yes, I can advise to buy it. It's really beautiful. For the price, yeah, I think it's not that much in United States. It's around $400. Here in Europe, it's 429 euros. Not everywhere, I think, but in France it's that. I bought it from a friend in Switzerland, so I bought it 368, so 60 euros less, but that's really expensive. Yes, that's really expensive, but that's really a good one. Unlike last year, the Enter Pro, a lot of people didn't really like it. But I think this one, it won't be the case for this one. But I like it. For me, the color is not that bad, and the blade, it's not that bad, but it's my opinion, of course. So that's it. What's coming? I also had in the same packaging for my friend in Switzerland this. So they came out, well, it's been some time now, but I'll make a short video about them just to show. So that will be probably the next video. So as I said, I'll post some pictures of it on Instagram. If you have any questions, tell me in the comment section what you think about it. Well, I think if you think like me, it's really a beautiful one. And of course, I'll see you in the next video, probably for the classic colors. And so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, of course. So tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I see you in the next video. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too